Presenting a pre-owned 2011 GMC Acadia SLT-2 all-wheel drive. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 88,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, roof rails, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Motorcars.